The SABRENT Rocket DDR5 16GB 4800 MHz memory module promises a serious performance boost for your desktop PC. SABRENT highlights some key advantages of DDR5 technology. Lower voltage requirements compared to DDR4 mean less power consumption, aided by on-module power management. This efficiency is a welcome improvement for power-conscious users. The potential for double the bandwidth of DDR4 is a game-changer. This addresses the memory bottleneck, paving the way for smoother performance in demanding tasks like content creation and gaming. Beyond just bandwidth, DDR5 boasts internal improvements for enhanced overall performance. While the product description mentions up to 4 times the capacity of DDR4 in the same space, this particular module is 16 GB, so it's important to choose the capacity that suits your needs. Improved error correction is another plus, ensuring a reliable and consistent experience. SABRENT emphasizes adherence to JEDEC memory standards, simplifying the upgrade process. However, there's a crucial discrepancy in the provided information. The product is listed as DDR5, yet the specifications state DDR4 technology and compatibility with laptops. This conflicting information needs clarification. Assuming it is indeed DDR5 for desktops, the potential for improved speed and efficiency is enticing. However, verifying the correct specifications before purchasing is crucial. Stay tuned for benchmarks and real-world testing to see if this RAM lives up to the hype.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.